In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Vinted shipping options. By the end, you'll have your address saved so the right delivery choices appear automatically at checkout, making every purchase smoother and faster. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. If you use the app regularly, these steps mirror what you'll see on the website. But today we're focusing on the site so the screens match exactly. Make sure you're signed into your account so your changes can be saved to your profile. Next, use the search bar to look up any product. The specific item doesn't matter right now. We're using a listing to reach the checkout area where shipping details live. Type a simple term, like a brand or item type, and press enter to see results. This is a quick way to access the address and delivery section without navigating through account menus. From the results, select a listing and click to open it. This takes you to the product page. Here, look for the Buy Now button. Clicking Buy Now won't place an order immediately. It opens the order summary so you can preview the payment and shipping sections safely before confirming anything. Inside the checkout view, find the address section. You'll see a small pencil icon next to the address area. This is the Edit button. Click the pencil to open the address form. Now enter your shipping address carefully. Include your full name as you want it to appear on the label, your street and house number, apartment or unit if you have one, your city, postal code, and country. Double check the spelling and format used in your region, and be sure the postal code matches your city. If your browser autofills these fields, scan them for accuracy before proceeding. Small mistakes here can limit which carriers are offered or cause delivery delays. When everything looks correct, click Save Address. This stores your details to your account and refreshes the checkout so Vinted can show the delivery options available for your location. After saving, you'll typically see choices like home delivery, pickup points, or parcel lockers with prices and estimated delivery times. You can add or update this address later using the same pencil icon. If you don't see the edit option, confirm you're signed in and that your site region matches your country. That's it. You've set up your Vinted shipping options by saving a complete, accurate address. Now, when you're ready to buy, your delivery choices will be ready to go.